Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to limit entertainment apps on Mac. So, entertainment app is a great for relaxing, but they are also one of the biggest reason many people spend more time on their Mac than they intended. Whether you use streaming apps, video platforms, or other entertainment apps, screen time lets you place a daily limit on them without uninstalling anything. You can limit your entire entertainment category with a single settings, making it much more easier to control your screen time. And if you only want to limit a certain entertainment app instead, then you can do that as well. So first click on the Apple logo and then choose system setting. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to screen time. Here go to app limits and make sure to enable the toggle right to app limits, and next click on add limit. Now from the list of categories, find entertainment, and if you want every app in the entertainment category to share the same limit, then simply select that entertainment category. Or if you would rather limit only a certain entertainment app, then expand the category by clicking on the tiny arrow previous to it. And from here, you can select a particular entertainment app. After selecting your app, you'll see two schedule options at the bottom, everyday and custom. So choose every day if you want the same limit apply every day. Then use the time selector at the right and choose the amount of time you want allow each day. And if you want different limits for different days, then choose custom instead and then click on the edit button. And now you'll see every day of the week where you can simply assign a separate limits for each day according to your routine. And once everything's set, click on done, and that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.